Good morning, friends, and welcome to Wisdom on Wednesdays. Today I want to admonish you to say yes for purpose. You know, the Bible in Ecclesiastes 5 verse 10 says, "He who loves money will not be satisfied by money." Money doesn't satisfy. Purpose satisfies. Money doesn't give you a life. Purpose gives you a life. You know that wealth magnifies if you have a lack of purpose. Just look around you in the news and everywhere. You will see that wealth will magnify the lack of purpose. Money is a good tool for doing things, but it's not a good tool for being a person, for gaining purpose, for gaining life. A life with purpose uses money as a resource. It is fuel for the mission, but otherwise it becomes a burden to carry. I've watched a few people during my life, and I've seen that purpose without money is better than money without purpose. If you have to choose purpose. You know, the balance is good when money follows your purpose. It is when money is the means, but purpose gives you the meaning. Then you don't only gain a living, but you gain a life. Well, friends, I hope that you say yes for purpose. God bless you, and I see you next week on WOW.